boss! Welcome sa akin channel. At ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Lagi by Skusta Clee. Ito yung bagong single niya na dedicated niya sa kanyang bagong baby nila ni Zeinab. Nasa standard tuning tayo and gumamit ako ng kapo on 3rd fret. Let's start! So first part ng kanta is the intro. So yung chord na gagamitin ko is same lang sa intro, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. So yung chord na ginamit ko is D major 7. Next chord is modified C sharp minor 9. Actually, yung C sharp minor 9 is ganito. But, para akong nag-suspended. Okay. So, yung alternate chord ko ng C sharp minor 9 instead of that chord is you can use C sharp minor 7. So, nasa sa inyo kung anong chord yung gagamitin nyo. Next chord is F sharp augmented 7. If you don't know that chord, index finger in the 6th string 2nd fret, middle finger in the 4th string 2nd fret, ring finger in the 3rd string 3rd fret, little finger in the 2nd string 3rd fret. Yung alternate chord ko is pwede siya F sharp 7. Next chord is B minor 7. Ganitong B minor 7 ang gagamitin ko. Nasa chord chart naman, so makukuha nyo yan. Or this one. But I prefer to use this one. Next is dalawang chord. A minor 7, passing chord to D9. So, yung D9 is ganito. But, easiest way to use D9 is ito. It's either this one or this one. Next chord, after the A minor 7 to D9, G over D. D chord. And then bass nyo, G. Next is F sharp minor 7. Next, D minor 7. Okay. Next is passing chord to E minor 7. It's basic chord. And then next is the A major, pero nilagyan ko siya ng higher F sharp open. So yun lang. Yung tinuro ko sa intro, same lang din sa verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. So ngayon, tatry natin yung whole song. I hope hindi makopyright. Pero kung pag makita nyong nakamute to, so ibig sabihin, tinanggal ko para at least counted pa rin siya as monetization. madali lang yung chords, and hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko. Just don't forget to click like and subscribe and follow my Facebook page. And if you have some requested songs, you can comment down below. Yun lang. God bless.